Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add your shipping address on StockX. So once you're inside the account, simply go ahead and click your profile on the upper right, or you can hover over it, whichever one you choose. And you want to go ahead and click on your profile. Now, once you're on your profile, you will see a section here that says under your personal information, your shipping address. If you look towards the right, there's an add button. So you can click on that and you'll be able to fill in your details. Now, I recommend that you fill in the details correctly. And then once you're done, you'll be able to click and save. So I'm going to quickly fill in some info right here. Phone number you want to also fill in as well. Once you finish filling in all the details, just go ahead and click on save shipping and you will have your shipping address saved within StockX. And that's really it, guys. Very easy and very simple. Now, once you go ahead and save your address, this is how you'll find your address showing up under this section here. As you can see, it shows the details, and that's really it. Very easy and very simple.